Good morning, family. For those of you who keep up with me on my updated Facebook page, JLC World, you may have seen I made a post about a hidden gem in the woods. Well, today we're dropping the kayak in. Got one. First fish, green sunfish. Might not be a big one, but he's warm. I'll tell you that. This water is warm. We got one. Little small guy. We'll put him back. Drag it set loose. Got another fish. Another green sunfish. Man, these are healthy ones too. Nice one. Nice little sunfish. Right. I found him just swimming on the top. Green sunfish. Got 3 raccoons on land right now. I'd try to get them if it was raccoon season. Here we go, we got something now. Big green sunfish, you know? Goodness. Got teeth on you. As a matter of fact, I ain't never seen one that big, man. It's nice. That's a nice green sunfish. 9 inches. 9-inch green sunfish. 9 inches. Wow. 0.44 pounds. Nice. Alright. Man, I hate putting him back, but he deserves a chance to live. That was a nice sunfish. I've never caught one that big before. Look at that. We got something else now. That was just grass? Nope. Another sunfish with the grass. Made it look bigger than what it was, you know. I thought it had a fish that big. Those raccoons are out there, they're following me. And they're probably looking for the turkey eggs. I don't know if this is the time of year for turkey eggs or not, but that's why they tell you it's good to hunt the raccoon. Oh, right in the hole. Getting all my stuff slimy. There he is, another one. But they say it's good to hunt the raccoon for their fur. You could eat it, I guess, but bruh. He jumped right off at the boat. Excuse me, that was rude. There it is. Something first cast with it. It went down in the grass. What are you? Oh, it jumps off right at the boat. We're on again, I think. Keep him out of the grass. We're definitely on again. Yep, green sunfish. If I would have brought my bag and kept all these, We'd have a mighty meal. This lake probably like never gets fished. Whoa. Whoa. You're hooked. Very funny. Wow. There's little baby. I got daddy, and there's baby. Look at that cast right under the tree there, like a pro. Got us one. Wow, he's the smallest guy yet. Man, I could take him home and put him in the fish tank. Isn't that the coolest thing? Right under that tree like a professional. Look at that one. Well, at least I can say I did not get skunked. Wait. Pretty little fish. This is a decent fish. Man, they're out here, aren't they? Look at that one. Ah, man, dang. They hit hard. Try to get off. I wanted to see if I can get you guys in his mouth there. Check that out. Those little teeth. Wow, that's cool. Going in. Bruh. Dang. See how they try to kill you, man. Oh, wow. All right, guys. Well, that wraps it up. Check that out. It's a nice one. Another 8-inch. Not quite as big as that other one. That other one was 9 inches. But that wraps it up for the day. I know what's out here. My hidden gem. I love it out here. Man, it's nice and quiet. Absolutely. We're going to call it a day. Next time, I promise I'll bring the fish bag and we'll keep them. I could have just threw them in the back of the kayak, but I like to keep them cold on ice or something when I'm fishing. Absolutely. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.